Hi friends, today I have Acer government laptop. Okay, it comes with 2 GB RAM and Intel Pentium processor. Okay, this Intel Pentium processor P6200. Um, it's very dirty. I just cleaned up the fan and other things to know how to do this. You can watch the other videos in our channel. Today's discussion is like, can we upgrade uh, the government laptop with i3 processor? So this is a Pentium processor. Yeah, I have i5 processor here. As you can see, it is mentioned Intel i5 640M. So this we're gonna install in this and try whether we are able to use it. Okay, so to do that, it's a functional laptop. I have added 2 GB RAM as well, so it has become 4, 2 plus 2 4, and added a Wi-Fi card. I need to add antenna. To check how to add antenna, you can check my other videos in the channel. So this particular device doesn't come with Wi-Fi, and it is just Pentium and 2 GB RAM. Now two things we have done. One is Wi-Fi and then 2 GB RAM. Now gonna change the processor. As you see, this is okay. In the processor, this is the area where we have to look into the arrow mark on the board also. Okay, so mounting point, gonna carefully place it and just lock the processor. Okay, locking, this is done. Now let us take the cooling pad. Before I now place the cooling thing, I will show you. Make sure that it's i5 640. Yeah, now let me place it. It's gonna be an uncut video so that it is very evident that we will be able to upgrade. Okay, once again. Oh, yeah, sorry for the inconvenience, but yeah, I think now it will go fine. So the third work which I am doing in this laptop is upgrading the processor also. Okay, not just RAM, not just Wi-Fi, upgrading the processor. That's a great life hack that I can do. Now let me install the battery. Okay, installed. Carefully let me tilt. Okay, with one hand to open up. Okay, so it is basically Acer 4739Z laptop. Comes with Intel Pentium 14-inch, graphics card, 2 GB RAM, yeah, and on. Okay, so no optical drive, no Wi-Fi with battery, but Wi-Fi we have added. Optical drive also we can add. I'll show it to you later. Let's power on. This is on, yeah. So the screen comes up. As you have seen, it shows the government symbol. Okay, there is something wrong with the keyboard. Okay, I have to restart because the laptop has come with this fault. it is creating some beep sound and it continuously scrolls up and down like that. But I thought of updating these things also, just to make it see, continuously scrolling up and down because of these keys. Okay, it is loading. Just now I have tried it, so I thought of making a video. When I was opening up, it was actually asking me to restart installing all the Wi-Fi drivers. I was shocked. See, it has come and I have to enter the password. Oh, it's taking little time to load. Let's say with i5 processor it is working. It's a government laptop. It says it has come with Pentium, right? See, now I'll show you. A second. I have to update the OS, but I'll show you the system properties. Look at this. Acer Intel Core i5 CPU, 4 GB RAM. Yeah, that's a great life hack. And we'll go to device manager, because sometimes people do something and change the visibility options here. Okay, network controller driver is not there. I need to update the drivers. Oh, battery gone. Okay, so anyways, thank you for watching. I think this helped you.